to the Wash area. Persons in these areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listen to later statements and possible warnings. The National Weather Service in Denver has issued a tornado warning for west central Elbert County, southeastern Douglas County, and northeastern Colorado until 3:45 p.m. At 3:16 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe The National Weather Service in Denver has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Weld County in northeastern Colorado, southwestern Morgan County in northeastern Colorado until 4:30 p.m. At 3:42 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southeast of Runyon, or 25 miles southwest of Fort Morgan, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Fort Morgan, Wiggins, Log Lane Village, 12 Mile Corner, Adena School, Hoyt and Adena. Precautionary preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This thunderstorm is capable of producing all types of severe weather, including extremely large hail, destructive straight-line winds, and tornadoes. Move quickly to a safe shelter, such as an interior room, a bathroom or closet or basement. The National Weather Service in Denver has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Douglas County and northeastern Colorado until 4:15 p.m. At 3:42 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time.